Hi everyone, I just came back from my cycling training and realized that my brake pads are actually misaligned to my wheels, which means that I am unable to brake safely in time. So today I decided to do this video to teach you the technique on how to adjust the brake pads correctly. Okay, first and foremost, this technique will apply to V-brakes as well as caliper brakes. For this brake wise, I will be doing another video to show you how to do the brake pads adjustment. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to determine whether your brake pads are misaligned or aligned correctly. Okay, in order to check whether your brake pads are aligned or misaligned, what you need to do is to depress the brake lever. For the front wheel, it will correspond to the left brake lever. So I'll depress it. And then you can actually see that the brake pads are not aligned to the rim wall, where it's touching the tire surface. So this will cause you to have unsafe braking when you're on the roads. So to do that, what you need to do is to firstly use a Allen key. For this bolt is a 4mm Allen key. So what you need to do is to loosen the bolt. And then at this part here, adjust the brake pads to align to the rim wall. After which, depress the brake lever and tighten down the bolt. This way, you will have align brake pads to your bicycle wheel. It's just so simple. What I've just tightened is the right brake pads. So I need to do for the left as well. And always ensure that the front brakes and the right brakes are all in working order. All the brake pads are aligned to the rim wall before you head out for cycling. Help me to like my Facebook, follow my Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.